Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals, and Rosie Seals is along for the ride. Today we are at a very unique Publix grocery store in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Now, for those who have never been to Publix, they normally do not look this way. They are located only in the southeast United States, with the most northern store located in Maryland. What makes this one unique? Stay tuned. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. When I used to live in this area, there was a sign on a small plot of land that said Publix was coming soon. I wondered how a Publix could fit in such a small area of land and still have a parking lot. Well, an innovative solution was employed. The grocery store is technically on the second floor, while a parking garage is on the first. Now, while this may not seem very innovative to those who live in a bigger city, this area of Winston-Salem does not have parking garages at their stores. A result of the grocery store being on the second floor, Starbucks can have this nice elevated seating area outside. We hope you enjoyed this episode. What did you think of this Publix? Was this a good way around the lack of land? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, make it public, and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to stay up to date, share with your friends who shop at grocery stores, and strike the bell icon to be notified of future videos. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.